Alright, I came here, the intake screen, I pulled that out, it was really plugged up. This fan motor has been definitely getting wet somehow. I'm not sure if that's, I don't know where that's coming from, but then we also have moisture all over the exhaust here. I'm guessing, I mean, that's condensation somehow. I don't know. We're gonna have to figure this out, where the water's coming from. I wonder if the drain is plugged on it. Condensate drain. Well, no, it shouldn't be. Oh, they got a quarter-inch galvanized nipple on there. Oh my gosh. Well, maybe it is. Half by quarter, and then they put a hose on it. Come on, you could have done a lot of things differently than that. We do have the trap here. We can clean that out and check that out also. Well, I cleaned out that intake screen, so I'm going to run it and see what happens.